What's up, guys? Welcome back to Brick Nerds. Today we're going to be building this special limited edition gift of purchase, the Blacktron Cruiser. It looks very similar to the old Lego system style boxes, and overall looks like a really cool set. It comes with a little tiny little robot. It's not quite a minifig, but we're going to make it that way. And overall, I love the color scheme. I don't quite know what's up with the Triforce looking emblem on the ship, but either way, this looks like a really cool set. Make sure if you're not subscribed already that you hit that subscribe button. I love being active with you guys in the community. We do polls all the time. We do all kinds of fun things in here. So make sure you join us if you enjoyed this video. So let's go ahead and get it built. Alright, here we have our finished Blacktron Cruiser. We have our little minifig inside. I love when we get special minifigs like this. Let's go ahead and get him out. Oh, helmet's coming off. So we got our special minifig. our pilot of our Blacktron cruiser, little visor. And here's the little robot I was talking about. Little tiny robot. And we got whatever's inside here is some, I guess, plutonium or something cool. Let's go ahead and put our pilot back in the ship. So really cool design. These go up and down. Also, this can open. There's a little gun on top of here, but this can open up. And inside there we can hide some more weapons. It can fully open actually if we want. Oops. This is held with just two of the smaller little graspy parts. I don't know what they're called. It's not quite the little circular one, but it's a little grasp piece you can put in. That's what these are held on with. But as you can see inside there, we've got more room. We can close all this up. That's the back side. Little flame. And the wings can also close. And here's our front side view. Really cool color scheme on this one. Overall, I really like this. Really cool. Again, this was the VIP exclusive gift with purchase for the VIP event. So, probably one of my favorite gift purchases one we've gotten. This one's really cool. Color scheme's really cool, and I love that it comes with a minifig. So, as always, guys, if you liked that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, and make sure you comment. I love having extra things that I can interact with you guys on, and I love when we can all have a fun time in this community here. So, I'll see you guys on the next build. Thank you.